हेलो एन्ड नमस्ते एभ्रिबडी वेलकम ब्याक टु माई युट्युब च्यानल। र आज चाहिँ हामीहरू जनवरी 11 को दिनमा बिहान 6 बजे उठेर बिचतर्फ जाँदैछौँ। अनि त्यस पछाडि मेरो साथीको रुममेटको कारमा चाहिँ हामीहरू त्यहाँसम्म पुग्यौँ। एन्ड जाँदा जाँदा चाहिँ अलिअलि उज्यालो भइसकेको थियो, तर सनराइज कम्प्लिटली चाहिँ भएको थिएन। सो हामीहरू चाहिँ अलिकति मान्छे एकदमै कम हुने, भिडभाड कम हुने ठाउँमा जानको लागि रेड रिफ पार्क हुँदै चाहिँ त्यहाँ नजिकैको बिचमा गएको थियौँ। र यो चाहिँ त्यहाँ बिचमा पुग्नको लागि स्टेयरकेस। र एज सुन एज हामी त्यहाँ पुग्यौँ, अलिअलि भ्यूहरू चाहिँ देख्न थालिसकेको थियो। एन्ड इट लुक अमेजिङ। Lots of sand, guys. एज सुन एज हामी त्यहाँ पुग्यौँ, हामीहरू चाहिँ अब सनराइजको वेटिङमा थियौँ। अनि त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ यस्तो नेपाली आर्किटेक्चरको एउटा लाइक सेफ हाउस भनौँ न, त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ रेस्क्युअरहरू बस्नुहुने ठाउँ पनि रहेछ। एन्ड वी वेयर टकिङ लट। अनि त्यस पछाडि फाइनली धेरै त होइन, जस्ट अलमोस्ट अबाउट 10-15 मिनट्सको पर्खाइ पछाडि चाहिँ हामीले सनराइजको भ्यूहरू मजाले देख्न सकिरहेका थियौँ। अनि मान्छेहरू चाहिँ बिहान उठेर रनिङ गर्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो, कोही फिसिङ गर्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो, कोही चाहिँ अलरेडी अर्ली इन द मर्निङ चाहिँ आफ्नो याचमा अथवा बोटमा चाहिँ फिसिङहरूको कम्पिटिसनको लागि गइसक्नु भएको थियो। एन्ड वान थिङ द्याट्स बोदरिङ मी इन फ्लोरिडा इज इट्स ह्युमिडिटी। किन भन्दाखेरि मेरो अलरेडी फ्रिजीहरूलाई चाहिँ यसले अझै नै धेरै फ्रिजी बनाइरहेको छ। एज यु गाइज क्यान सी द्याट इट्स सो फ्रिजी, हाउएभर आई एम जस्ट लभिङ इट। Sun is finally up, guys. It looks amazing, but we can't look at it directly because it's so, bright. Oh my god. I mean, the ocean is reflecting the sun rays, and oh my gosh, like look at this beauty. So just look at them. We got some souvenir for our first visit to this ocean. So yeah, these are so cute, so I'm gonna take them with me. Look at them, they're like everywhere. Woo.
You got 5 years here before.
And this is me trying to write my name in the sand because of course it was my first time in the sea, and I'm gonna do it because you just have to do it, right? So how was your first experience in the ocean, like this close? Osman?
Bobal.
Wow, we're enjoying a lot. This is our both of us, like this is our first time in the ocean this close. So yeah, guys, what is more beautiful, me or the ocean?
Yes, thank you to meet.
Yeah, thank you so much, you and your friend, for bringing us here. So hi, here is like huge thanks to him for bringing us here in this such a beautiful place. Hi.
How you doing? How you guys doing?
We're enjoying a lot, guys. Yay, we're having so much fun. There are my friends, and they're like really enjoying the conversation by the beach, and I'm also enjoying the view. So it's like really beautiful. The water is so warm, guys. I mean, like Because the sun is already up and it's like hitting the ocean already. So yeah, guys, it's warm in the water. Bye bye to this beach, and we're going to another beach right now. So stop, look, listen, and bomb. So here the shower place where we can wash our food, or either take a shower like this. It's so useful. And after that, we were trying to go to the another beach. However, due to a huge traffic as it's the weekend, so we had to return back to our homes. And so yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thank you everybody for watching till the end. It's gonna be the end of the video, and see you again in the next video. And until then, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, and also yeah, see you again. Bye.